Hi, Scott here. Hope you're having a great day. Let's think about the power of our words. Now, what I suggest to you is that often when we describe something, we're putting a negative connotation on it, and that makes us feel a bit negative. So think about how you phrase your words. Now here's some ideas for you. How about these little things we have to do every day? Say something like, I have to do the laundry. Sounds a bit negative. Instead of I have to do the laundry, how about I get to do the laundry? I get to do the laundry. So all my clothes are nice and clean and we can all walk around in lovely fresh clothes. How about I have to pay my credit card bills? Oh, it's pretty depressing, huh? But how about saying I get to pay my credit card bills for all those lovely things I bought? All my nice clothes, my nice shoes, whatever you buy. You get the idea. So putting something positive spin on what you're doing can make a big difference. Just makes you feel good inside. You have a go. Sort of think of another one. I have to take the dog for a walk. I have to take the dog for a walk today. I haven't got time. How about I get to take the dog for a walk? Excellent. I get to take the dog for a walk, go for a nice walk, out in the sunshine, fresh air, exercise, and the dog will be happy. How about that? So just a thought for you to consider how you phrase things, because it does make a big difference to your general psyche and how you feel about things in general. So something to consider, and dream big, take action. Scott from Build My Lifestyle. Speak to you soon. Hi, Scott here. Hope you enjoyed my message. Now if you'd like to start up your own affiliate marketing business, there's a few things you need to consider. The first one is you need to have high ticket sales. And what this means is for certain products you sell, you will get high commissions of $1,000 or higher. This makes it much easier for you to build a sustainable business, not have lots of little commissions where you need a huge volume, which is much harder for a startup company. Also, you need all the training and tools available. Now, I started this business from scratch, and you can too. If you've got no prior experience, no problem. The tools and training are provided, as are all the coaching and mentoring you could ever need, so that you can easily build your business up as quick as possible. Another good feature is a community of like-minded people going through the same process as we are, and they're happy to share their knowledge with you. Any questions, reach out and they'll happily get back to you. So if you're interested in this kind of a business, then please click on the link below there in the comment box, buildmylifestyle.com. Have a look around, see what you think. And if you've got any questions, then please drop me a line, drop me an email, scott@buildmylifestyle.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I wish you all the success in your business, and hopefully I'll be speaking to you soon.